everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hannah here. Today I am going to do something fun because, well, Halloween is coming up, and I'm going to show you how I do a double cat eye eyeliner or a double winged eyeliner, and then lashes if you want to add them. The product that I will be using for this video is Too Faced Better Than Sex Liquid Eyeliner. The first step that I will do is take my eyeliner and start from the middle of the eye and go from the middle all the way to where the crease is, and then after I start from middle to the end crease, I will go in from the corner and connect it at the middle. The reason we start at the middle of the eye is because you want to form the width of that first band. It will grow once you add the second wing, but you want to have somewhere to start. If you start at the end of your eye, it could be way thicker than you want it to, and especially don't start at the very beginning of your eye because, at least for me, that's where I make most of my mistakes. So I'm going to start by taking that middle, and I'm just going to line it and come out to my crease. After I've done the middle to the end, I'm going to go in to the very front and connect it to the middle. Now we create that second wing. We're going to extend the ends of this at the end just to get it symmetrical. The best way I can describe this is to take it from the corner of the eye and go up in a line. You just want it about 45 degrees. So now once you have these lines, you're going to start from that midsection again, and instead of going down and following the natural line of your eyelid, we're going to take it from that middle and connect it to the top, just like this. And you can get it into a nice point, and then you can fill in. I go backwards with my brush strokes because it's easier for me. Just look at the crease of your line when you open your eye wide and see if it's even. If not, you can smooth it out. And you can make the wings of this eyeliner however big you want. I'm just going super dramatic because it's Halloween. And then you can take these corners once you've set the wing length for the top ones and bring them out just a bit. I'm going to go in with just some eyeshadow and get my black on an eyeliner brush and go underneath and just connect that bottom. So the last thing I'm going to show you is literally just me putting on eyelashes. These are the Prima Donna false lashes that I like to use from Benefit Cosmetics. You might want to trim them to length. I'm going to take just a little bit of glue and spread it along the top of the lash just like so. You can blow on it, you can air dry it, but you want to let the glue get a little tacky before you place it on. Once you see that it's starting to dry, I start with placing the back corner first, and then I pull it down to the front of the eyelid and secure it, make sure that is in place. And ta-da! You've got your cute little cat eye. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the other eye. Just put that eyelash on. That is how I do my double wing, double cat eyeliner look. And of course, you can put some cute little fox ears in, or cat ears. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it helped you somewhat. So please let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video. If you have any tips, let me know what you're going to dress up as for Halloween this year. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.